the integral of sine 5 theta, cosine 5 theta, d theta. So remembering that sine and cosine are derivatives of each other, maybe differing by a negative, this is a good candidate for u substitution. So I'm going to let u be sine 5 theta, which means du d theta is cosine 5 theta times 5, which means d theta is du over 5 cosine 5 theta. So then I go back to my integral and I substitute. Instead of sine 5 theta, I have a u, and then I have cosine 5 theta, and then instead of d theta, I have du over 5 cosine 5 theta. So my cosines cancel. I'm going to pull this 5, which is in the denominator, which makes it a 1/5 out of the integral. And then I'm left with u du. So this is 1/5. Antiderivative of u is 1/2 u squared. So this becomes 1/10. And then instead of u, I'm going to put in the expression that I let u equal at the beginning. Sine 5 theta squared plus c. The integral of dz over 1 plus z squared. It might be easier to see if we write this as 1 over 1 plus d squared dz, because this is an antiderivative that we have memorized. That is, the function whose derivative is 1 over 1 plus z squared is arctan. So this is arctan z plus c. All right, this one is similar to number 41, the integral of cosine cubed 2 theta times sine 2 theta d theta. Remembering that sine and cosine are derivatives of each other, we're going to try u substitution. So I'm going to let u be, in this case, I'm going to choose cosine 2 theta, because the cosine of 2 theta is being cubed, so cosine is the inside of a composition, and that's always a good candidate for u. That means du d theta is negative sine 2 theta times 2 for the chain rule, and that makes d theta du over negative 2 sine 2 theta. Okay, plug everything into the integral, and I get u cubed times sine 2 theta times, instead of d theta, I have du over negative 2 sine 2 theta. My sines cancel. I'm going to take this negative 2. It's in the denominator, so when I pull it out of the integral, it becomes a negative 1/2. Integral of u cubed du. So that's negative 1/2 times u to the 4th over 4 plus c. And then I'm just going to replace my u with cosine 2 theta. So this is negative 1/8 cosine 2 theta to the 4th plus c.